Hey guys, how's it going today? I am in Oklahoma City. I was in Florida yesterday, 85 degrees, and now up in Oklahoma it's raining and about 40. So nice little weather change. Today I'm going to show you how to change a sequencer board in a Genie model IS900A. That is an old style Genie motor. It can get a little tricky because you can confuse the symptoms or diagnose it pretty much like a logic board. I will tell you that I did try a logic board on it and it continued to do the same thing. So sequencer was the next option, and it appeared to fix the problem. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, hit that like button for me, get my engagements up. Thank you for watching, and we'll get right to it. All right, we got a Genie half horsepower model IS900A. You can find the model information on this style Genie screwdriver right up top right here. Sometimes you'll find it on the rail as well. There'll be a sticker right up here. This is a Genie telecode. This unit has it's not getting any power on the wall. There is lights on the sensors, and when you press the wall button, it's doing absolutely nothing. If you see the learn button right in here in the light, if I press the remote, it's communicating, but there's a barrier going on. So I did change out the logic board on this thing and it did not work. Did the same exact thing, so we're gonna go ahead and change out the sequencer right now. This piece here is gonna have 4 screws holding this shell on. One here, one here, one here, and one on the other side right up here. You don't have to take these all the way out. You're just gonna loosen them. The shell should slide right off. All 4 are loose. You can just slide this thing right back. Bam, right there. All right, here is your sequencer board right here. This screw out right there. This board will slide right off. It is connected with a harness right up in here. So we'll pull that harness off and the bottom harness off right here. There is your logic board. That's the one I changed, and it still did the same exact thing. Put a flathead right in here, just like that. We'll do the same thing for the bottom. Right up in here, spin just a little bit. Just enough to break that pressure. And then we'll take this screw off right here. And pull the bottom harness out. Right there. And the same with the top. Right there. Slide this right out. All right, there's your old sequencer right there. You can see part number 31184R. Comes with a little warning guide here to let you know you could get electrocuted if you don't follow the steps by unplugging the unit. All right, here's the new board. Slide this way into the 2 holes right on top. This will fit into the little track and slide right in all the way through, so you can secure the screw here, get the 2 force settings right through the top here. But we got to make sure we secure the harnesses first. Bottom. All right, so we're in top and bottom, good to go. Let's go ahead and secure our screw. Board is in, secured here. Our force settings will probably turn down. Let's go ahead and turn them up on both of them. Let's take a look and see what happens. We got power. Let's see if the remote's gonna work.
Perfect.